I'm up to doing the articles that I folded in my little fold away container. So I usually put like PJs and easy stuff, easy ironing, like the pillowcases and that sort of thing, and I put my husband's shorts. I don't like ironing shorts, but we always have done it and I like him to be nice and neat, so I do shorts. But once again, like the pants, you can do them quite quickly. If they're thick, a little hint is to just do the insides first. So quickly just run over the pockets inside out. Doesn't take a second to do it. And you'll find it a little bit better when you're actually ironing the full shorts. So that's done. Then once again, I just start at the back, straight over, and you know, they just about fit on the ironing board. You might need a little bit of pressure with this type of fabric. This is a sort of a cotton. And what I do, so you don't leave a mark on the fabric here, I lift the pocket back, like so. Bit fussy, but that's how I like to do it. And then it doesn't leave a mark in the fabric for later. So next one, once again, give it a little line there. And up. See how it leaves, it'll leave a mark if you leave the pocket down. So I just whiz the pocket up just at the end when you're nearly there. Do a little bit across the back there. Same at the front. Do the main part first, lift the pocket back. It's really easy when you get used to it, and it saves a lot of time. And while that's bulky in there, I just do these little parts there. Okay, so one side to go. Do a little line there on the fly part. Lift it back. Do it so it's neat. Do it there, along the top. And they're nearly done. I just close the zip and do the button. A little shake out, and then I just check this area because it doesn't get done properly right in the crutch part of the garment. Do that, and then if you really want to be particular, you can lift the shorts like so, halve them, take the seams together, put them together, give a little shake, and then turn it onto the board and just do this little inside area, which finishes them off completely, and it doesn't take more than a couple of seconds to do that and finish them off. And with my husband, I hang all his with the skirt hangers or short hangers or whatever. You might just measure where it's going to be and you just pop it on, and they're hanging ready for the wardrobe.